ready to turn your passion into a thriving online community and generate recurring revenue. Let's build a subscription-based website on Wix, step by step. First, head over to Wix.com and create an account or log in. Click Create New Site and choose the type of website you want. You can select business, online store, or even blog. Depending on your content, Wixaudy can help, but for full control, pick a template or start from scratch. Once you're in the Wix editor, go to the left-hand menu and click on Apps. This will take you to the Wix App Market. Search for Wix Members or Subscriptions by Wix. Click Add to Site to install the app. This app is crucial for managing your members and their subscriptions. Now, set up your members area. The Wix Members app will add a members page to your site. Customize this page. Decide what information you want to collect from members during sign-up, like their name, email, or any other details relevant to your community. Next, create your pricing plans. Go back to your Wix dashboard and find the subscriptions section. Click Create Plan here. You'll name your subscription tiers like Basic, Premium, or VIP. Define the price, billing cycle monthly, annually, and a clear description of the benefits each tier receives. Now, let's protect that premium content. Go to any page or element on your site that you want to be exclusively for members. Click on it. Then find the permission settings option in the settings panel on the right. Set the access to members only and choose which specific subscription plan gains access to that content. Finally, manage your subscriptions from your Wix dashboard. You can track active subscriptions, view member profiles, process refunds, and send important updates to your subscribers. Explore the analytics to understand which tiers are most popular and refine your offerings over time. And that's it. You've built a subscription website on Wix, ready to foster a community and generate recurring revenue. Remember to promote your site and engage with your members to build a thriving online space. Good luck.